First things first, clean the bottle part with soap and water. Easy, right? Do not touch the generator or the lid with soap. It may void the warranty or damage the electronics. It's a simple step and you'll thank yourself later. Now for disinfecting, we turn to the literal superhero of disinfecting, hypochlorous acid or HOCl. This stuff is amazing. It's my favorite disinfectant and my second favorite molecule after H2, of course. It's kind of like bleach, but without its harsh effects. HOCl is like the Superman of the chlorine family. It's 80 to 200 times more effective than bleach, but more safer for humans. That means you can use it without worrying about the harsh, irritating effects of bleach that are associated with skin, eyes, and lungs. Why is it so effective? Well, it kills bacteria by easily penetrating its outer layers and stopping them from making energy. It's like cutting off their fuel supply. Quick, effective, and clean. The best part, HOCl is actually produced by your own immune cells to kill pathogens and viruses. It's powerful yet bio-friendly. To clean your H2 bottle with HOCl, grab a 500 ppm solution. You can find it online for around 20 to 30 bucks per gallon. Pour it into your bottle and gently rotate the bottle for about 10 seconds. Rinse it out with clean water and boom, your hydrogen water bottle is disinfected. It's ready to pump out hydrogen-packed goodness again. For the lid and generator threads, use a cotton ball or Q-tip soaked with hypochlorous acid and wipe them down. Let it sit for about 10 to 30 seconds and then wipe them off with clean water. Don't forget these areas, especially if you drink directly from the bottle. If you drink directly from the bottle, you should disinfect it at least once a week. If you're pouring it into a glass once or twice a month, it's just fine. Pro tip, keep track with a reminder on your phone. Your future self will appreciate it. If this was helpful, make sure you check out the full length video where I explain this in more detail. And if you want simple content on molecular hydrogen therapy, make sure you subscribe to H2 Minutes.